why black Americans are relocating to South Africa, and I've always been asking myself the umbuzo yazi, like kwangempela why baningi kanjena all of a sudden, because nonke y'all actually thought like South Africa is a zoo. All of a sudden I just see a lot of people. What the heck, man? I mean, sengizothola na umuntu tell intombi yase-America bra.
Somebody's out to get you, bro.
Oh, hell no, boy.
I made the biggest decision of my life. I left the US and moved to South Africa. I didn't have it all figured out. I just knew there was something missing. Peace, freedom, alignment. So I followed that pull.
I was like, babe, we need to move. Like, I want to leave the country. And he was like, okay, what country do you think we should go to? I said, well, I have a list of about 5. The first place on the list was South Africa, Cape Town specifically. We went there, and within 30
Cape
minutes
Town
of
is
touching
boss.
down, for the first time, I knew that I wanted to live in Cape Town, South Africa for the foreseeable future.
And we are off. First stop.
Look at the kids, bro. Imagine.
Johannesburg, South Africa. This kid's happy, I'm happy.
You can search the whole world, but there's nothing like South Africa.
I love it here. The people
We don't put sugar in baba. So far sugar in the
are so nice. Everybody is so kind and friendly. The food is so fire. And the vibe is just different.
Hi everyone, immigrated back to Cape Town, South Africa with my British husband to start up.
And I've heard that like in America, you can't own a house. That's why they have apartments, because it's hectic out there.
A new journey, but first things first, we had to sell our house. This was so emotional for myself and Tom because this was the first ever house we owned as a married couple.
Way I never imagined. I didn't make a big announcement when I left. I kept that part of my story close.
But the problem is, like, Nikwele Cape Town, Nikwele Cape Town, I can't even see even one.
To the people close to me. But now I'm ready to share, not for attention, but to inspire. To anyone craving more from life, it's never too late to begin new. This journey has brought me so much peace, and for that,
nobody's
I'm
gonna
grateful.
block you on the road. White people and stuff. Last night,
Here's to it, team.
Quick story time on how I chose to move to South Africa. Literally one day I was laying in the bed stressed about living in the rat race that is America, and I decided that I wanted something different for myself, for my family, for our experience just living. And I sent Kenzo a text message. This is Kenzo. Kenzo, I was like, babe, we need to move. Like, I want to leave the country. And he was like, okay, what country do you think we should go to? I said, well, I have a list of about 5, but we need to go and visit. And after we visit, we'll be able to make the decision.
Okay.
The first place on the list was South Africa, Cape Town specifically. We went there, and within 30 minutes of touching down, for the first time, I knew that I wanted to live in Cape Town, South Africa for the foreseeable future. Now, fast forward to today, I'm visiting KZN in South Africa. I'm at Ballito Beach, and it's just giving me more inspiration.
The people in the ocean, bruh. Bafana nawe, they black.
Love in South Africa. I mean, really? This beach is amazing. Imagine living 10 minutes away from this, and your kids get to walk to school, and you get to experience the people and the culture here in South Africa. I don't even have words for how beautiful this experience has been for us, but let this be your sign. If you're thinking about leaving the country,
Africa's
not just
not
for South Africa, not for anywhere specific, but if you just want to leave, go.
All right, today's the day. No time for games. Let's get
Yo, guys.
to it. My sister and my niece came to see me off. My mother gave me a blessing. Love her so much. We got the truck all packed up.
Woo! Yabo? One of them.
Got to get our last little selfies in, give lots of hugs.
Shine,
I love my mommy so much. All right, stay focused. Everything and everyone is loaded up. Mom is giving her grandbabies those kisses. And we are off. First stop, Chicago O'Hare. Final destination, Johannesburg, South Africa. This kid's happy, I'm happy. Follow Mahala for more.
You can search the whole world, but there's nothing like South Africa. You can go to every country in this world, but you will come back and realize over and over, time and time again.
Yeah, move to Durban, Shade. What's that?
Cape Town, why am I thinking about moving to Durban? What do you mean, why? Maybe this will help you understand why I want to live in Cape Town, South Africa, or Durban, South Africa for the rest of my days. For the foreseeable future, I want to be beachside. I love it here. The people are so nice. Everybody is so kind and friendly. The food is so fire. And the vibe is just different. If you're in the States, if you've ever been to Hawaii, it's similar.
Yeah,
but
people...
not the same. Not the same. I lived in Hawaii for 3 years, and I would say that living in Cape Town is better. It's better. It's just better.
They thought it was a zoo. What the hell is this?
It's just better. This is why I moved. People ask me every single day, why did y'all move here? Why did y'all choose here?
All right, guys, let's go. We're going to the coffee shop. That's the crew back there following me. They all back there. All these Americans are coming to get some this amazing property. So, guys, follow me today.
Oh, my
And
word.
you'll see the crew back there.
Hey, Baba,
Hey,
it's
for
like...
real?
It's like abantu engibaziyo, bra. So banobaba uDenzel, obaba Joshua. Omalum Javante.
What's up, that one right there? That. That is all good. So, all right, guys. See y'all guys on the inside.